tried, and I've tried even more. I cried, and I can't recall what for. I pressed, I pushed, I yelled, I begged in hopes of some success. But the inevitable fact is that he never will impress.
Watch him how he gives Bear his fuels. He wraps it in a turkey. Okay.
It's not turkey, it's chicken.
Wrap it in chicken. See?
There you go. Okay. Got this right here. Sometimes he eats them, sometimes he won't eat them. Let's find out if he'll eat one today. Okay, he's just sitting there all nice. Bear, do you want this? You want this bone? Tell me if you want it. Tell me. You do? Okay, here you go. Oh, he's going to eat it today. While he's eating that, I should tell you that I vacuumed the floor last night, and it's got hair on it, so I think he's still losing his hair a little bit. But he's still on antibiotics. And he's still on vitamins. And he's still on steroids.
He's not quite what he normally is.
He's usually a lot more hyper, but here recently he's not been very hyper. He's been laying around. He's been trying to eat as much as he can, though. The steroids make him hungry. But he's been lazy, not wanting to do anything. When he goes outside, he just lays on the sidewalk. He usually runs around circles. You can see that in our other videos. He just runs in circles. But now, he just wants to lay around. Hasn't been wanting to play. Only thing he's really been wanting to do is eat and sleep and drink and go out to use the bathroom. But that's it.
Poor baby's on them, that medicine is probably causing him.
The medicine's got him down and out, or just down. He's doing okay though. He's eating the bone. Pick it up, every single piece. Well, Bear, did you enjoy that? Oh, he needs a drink. You really want it? Mommy's checking for bones. Make sure there ain't no bones in it. Do you really want it? You want it? Do you want it? Tell me. Oh. Calm down. You really want it? You really want the chicken? Are you ready for it? Oh, can you not? You can't speak anymore? Do you forget how to speak? Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching.